Acer Chromebook R11 Convertible Laptop, C738T-C7KD. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I've been extremely impressed by this device. I was initially a little nervous as the system was somewhat glitchy for the first couple of weeks, seemed to be a problem with the Chrome OS because it was fixed by the next update. I previously had an Acer Chromebook C720 which I loved, had it for 3.5 years and traveled with it all over the world before the keyboard finally died. Here are my favorite things about the R11. Touchscreen. Hey, it's not an iPad, but it works great for what I need it to do, reading and annotating ebooks and PDFs through Amazon Kindle and a great app called Shadow. If you're an artist, probably not responsive enough, but if you just wanted to play games and underline the occasional text, this is awesome. -360-degree rotation. Love the ability to watch movies in tent mode, turn it into a slightly heavy, thick tablet. Switching back and forth is seamless once you get used to it. I was super worried that touching the keyboard when it was in tablet mode would cause it to switch back to laptop mode, but it looks like once you move the screen back past like 180 degrees, it goes into full touchscreen. Took a week or so to get used to, but love it now. Screen stays in whatever position you put it solidly enough to use the touchscreen. Processor. I currently have 4 windows with a total of 18 tabs open. I streamed an HD movie on Netflix with all those open, no pauses or buffering. Unreal. Battery, solid. Seems to have a slightly shorter life than my Acer C720, which literally went for days, but probably because of the aforementioned dozens of tabs in Netflix. The promised 8 to 9 hours definitely holds true, and will last longer if brightness is turned down / you're only web browsing, etc. Price. I mean, come on, $300 is unbeatable if what you want is email, Netflix, and books. I feel like I have a tablet and super mobile laptop rolled into one. The bad. Speakers are a little tinny, though the volume is awesome, and it's not possible to customize the equalizer on the Chrome OS right now. Frown. Though it's a super light laptop, the Chromebook is a little heavy as a tablet, not super practical for holding, but if it's resting on something, it's golden. I mean, if you want a true tablet, buy a true tablet. This did honestly keep me from investing in a Kindle as I was planning to. Overall, I'm super happy with this product. So far, I feel like my expectations have been not only met, but exceeded. If you purchase this product, go into it with realistic expectations and patience getting familiar with the setup, and you'll probably love it, too. I love that it is only as big as it needs to be to have a full-size keyboard, not with a number pad, but full-sized keys. It looks way better in person than in the pictures. White exterior, black keys, very sleek and modern. Since you have access to Android apps on the Google Play Store, you don't have to rely solely on the Chrome browser to access apps. I searched for top Android apps for Chromebooks on the web, and found which apps work better than Chrome pages. I haven't had issues with the trackpad as others have. It feels responsive to me, and I went to settings to customize the speed, clicking, and scrolling. I also bought a wireless mouse, which paired perfectly. Update it as soon as you turn it on. You can Google how to update it. I have a feeling that many of the negative reviews are by people who didn't update their Chromebook right out of the box. Do your research, learn how to optimize your experience, and you'll love it. Overall great product, highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.